Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Martin Keown come as a way they analyze for CHUKS because he don't be regular for CHUKS, so they analyze as Arsenal don't beat Man City now, so who can be the favorites to win the league? So they ask Martin Keown, say, how far I don't collect the psychological warfare, I don't come out of Man City body, so I will be now I go win the league. So Keown can explain, say, Man City are still the title favorites because they still fit go on a lengthy run. Like, people still get this fear. Say Man City fit go on a run anytime. Like they fit come, like what you Walker talk, Kyle Walker say they will bounce back, and then know say when the matter moves, then fit go on a 20-match run, get 15-match run, collect points, get at the end of the day they will win the league. So now waiting in the talk, even though people like Perry Grooves, they come out and they say as Arsenal beats Man City, Arsenal we don't get that belief, say we've beaten the best team in the world, and if we can beat them, who can't be available who we know if we beat? So that thing now, they help with the mentality shift at Arsenal. Will help the players say, if we beat these people, we say everybody they fear. Who will know who can beat? Again, so for that reason, Perry Grooves feel like this Arsenal's year. Say Arsenal go win the league, but Martin Keown they very cautious. Get because they don't say that Man City still be favourites because no one give Arsenal the favourite tag. Maybe this is not going to apply pressure on the player. So like last season, normal now they're going to also going to take each game at a time. So we'll just watch as everything they go. Alright, so for those who know they are aware, so Gabriel Martinelli don't score in first Brazilian goal where they play against Venezuela. He get for the international level, so now he scored the first goal, open the scoring 1-0. Although Venezuela can equalize, it's gonna be 1-1, so the match gonna end like that. Well, I'd be very happy for him because once upon a time, the Brazilian FA no even look towards the direction, they don't give him the chance to come prove himself. But see now, last, the guy don't they play for Brazil, he don't be a regular, he don't be a mainstay for the Brazilian first 11. I don't see they're going to be watching appearances for Arsenal, because if this guy can play at the highest level for a big club like Arsenal, then why would not go for selector? So that's what it is. So I just be happy after all, he score self to make himself very proud. So this is what it is. We got to hear many news stories now about Emile Smith Rowe to Newcastle. So Newcastle don't identify Emile Smith Rowe and make up their January targets, like be their prime targets, which then define for January, so they'll come with Arsenal. In fact, what they hear now, they say Arsenal Chiefs and Newcastle Chiefs are in discussion to discuss about Emile Smith Rowe. Say Emile Smith Rowe, they want time for St. James Park. So now I can ask Arsenal fans, because some Arsenal fans are for the move, some are against the move. What do you not think if at the end of the day Emile Smith Rowe moves to St. James Park? Mind you, Emile Smith Rowe will be regular for Arsenal team, you know really they play much. And if we say we could sell him, in as much as he's a fan favorite, if we sell him at least, I did hear the mention of 47-50 million pounds. If we carry that money, reinvest them into the team. So these are some of the things that me I see. And I say make I ask you that, what will be your thoughts on Newcastle signing Emile Smith Rowe? Like if it happened, how you will feel? So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Alright, so Folarin Balogun also don't come and let us know how he exits for Arsenal be. So Baba can explain, say after he finish for Reims, when he play finish, come for Arsenal. So in with Ateta gets a discussion, they can't talk, Ateta tell him well done, so he don't really talk much. Then during pre-season, Ateta saying go see how he go take fitting into his style of play. Although Ateta still call him by the side, when they explain and talk, say the people high up they decide on what's the best for Folarin Balogun, because we already have a Gabriel Jesus, we already have an indicator. Adding Folarin Balogun to the mix go be 3. Will that be good for his development? Because the pecking order of strikers like Gabriel Jesus be the number 1, indicator number 2, because he has been with us here. Then Folarin Balogun number 3. That's why they can't decide, say, to aid his development. It will make sense, because remember, we actually promised indicator that he was going to get goal scoring chances to play, and the guy himself, they turn up, they do give him own the striker. So that is why they can decide, alright, to further aid your development, it will make sense where you go where you will get regular game time, but no one did very selfish. And that was how he found himself to Monaco. when you can't do there. I never really observe what they do there. I don't know how many goals don't score, or because it's no longer our player, so I know they observe them. So if you not observe, the only time we enter news, another time when they say miss penalty, 2 penalties in one match, where the coach called Komota, where the commentator lose the game. Now only that one, maybe the last time I hear about Balogun, I never really hear anything about it. So the guy just come and say won't clear the air based on how things they go, because people see they blame Mikel Arteta, not knowing say the hierarchy, the owners, the stakeholders, they still get a say, the board, they still get a say on how things are run. Despite say Arteta like the manager when they decide on some things, but after Arteta decide, you get people will go still sanction and say, okay, no yawa, I don't understand what they talk, so it is what it is. Alright, so when you say Arsenal, they interested in Royal Antwerp Vermeeren. This guy is an 18-year-old winger. The guy they play very, very well. In fact, they don't nominate him for this Young Players Award. The guy did very, very good. So not only Arsenal they go for him, even Manchester United are high up there. They are also interested in the player. I never really watch how they play. They play Royal Antwerp. I don't even know whether they're Belgium and they are which country. But I don't say they for all this European competition because they see their name, whether they're Europa League or Conference League. I can't remember. I don't say I they see their name if I they observe flash score. Yeah, so it is what it is. All these players are also to sign them and to loan them come out so they go develop, because we try to groom the players for the future. You get, don't be say once and I make enter our first 11 now. You get, so me I never see how the guy they play ball. They say he's very, very fast and tricky. So it is what it is. I wish him all the best of luck if he will join Arsenal. Alright, so Jack Grealish also come as they ask him about the crisis at Man City. For the first time in a long while, Man City don't lose 3 of their last 4 games. They're going to ask Jack Grealish, are you guys in crisis? So Grealish going to explain, say no, far from it. They say since when they play for Man City, since when they come here, say they never ever lose back to back, and it don't happen now. So it is what it is. But that one don't mean say they in crisis. Say they go regroup. And truth be told, say they really, really miss Rodri. Say Rodri missed 3 matches and they can't lose the 3 matches. You know how crazy that thing sound? A player miss 3 matches, will not lose all the 3 because he know they there. So that one means say they don't really get a replacement for Rodri. Now I understand why Pep Guardiola be one sign Declan Rice. Nobody say they never sign replacements for Rodri, but those way that they sign, no, they at the same level. They don't sign Calvin Phillips, it no work. They sign Kovacic, I don't think it is working. They sign Matthew Nunes, I don't think that one too is working. So they try different. Sometimes they will even play John Stones for that place, a centre back. So they never really identify a like for like replacement. So at the end of the day, I like the fact that Rice to join them. Instead, Rice can join us to challenge them to break their monopoly. So like, and they get one argument where people they bring for the media space, where they talk say Man City are tired, like they face hangover, fatigue from winning the treble. That is not true. Man City are not invisible. The fact say other teams to come up points for their hand, it doesn't mean they are tired. They lost, they didn't play well. So take it like that. If they say Man City beat us, beat Rose, beat Newcastle, anybody going to talk about hangover? Why is it that it's anytime we Man City lose, people are going to give silly excuses for their losses instead of it to praise the team we make them play abysmally, we make them play woefully. That is what we should be doing. Not making excuses for them for TalkSport and ESPN and the likes. Say it is hangover. That after winning 3 trophies you will be tired. Tired what? Are they not paid to come and play? Oh no, see God reflects me. Alright, so Kevin Campbell also come as I call it also say don't see many things people talk about Kai Havertz for the media space. Call it also you don't go Arsenal, go watch match. Get and one thing we don't observe is say the fans waiting for the stadium. No really they complain about Kai Havertz. Now those with they online, we don't really this stadium up close and personal. They see how the player they play. And another thing is say in they see other players where they do similar or worse mistakes as to what Kai Havertz they do, and they know they collect backlash. Nobody talk about them, but any little mistake where Kai Havertz do, they will magnify her. And now fans with they online, they do on social media, they will magnify everything. And people need to understand that Chelsea fans are not happy that Kai Havertz actually left to get this guy. When we signed him, he was arguably one of the best players, if not their best player of the season. But we can't sign him because he was joint goal scorer with Sterling. he was performing for them, even though they had a woeful season. At the end of the day, we sign them, they are not happy. So Chelsea fans, they troll the guy online. Whether I play well, whether I not play well, they will troll him. Some Arsenal fans, when they join them, they troll him. So now what is Kevin Campbell, they talk say they need to cut down the abuses, the insults, where then they put on Kai Havertz. Say, at least balance your arguments or your anger. If Kai Havertz do wrong pass, everybody shout for him. If another person do that same wrong pass, shout to that person too to make it a balanced equation. So now what's about the talk? You subscribe to his line of thoughts because I actually do, and I think I don't talk for a long time. If you watch what we go do for a panel, what we discuss, some people go miss chances or some people go do error where need to go. The fans don't go mention that person's name, but if like I have oh no rubber, they go down my neck, like say they kill him. Alright, so funnily enough, the referees in the EPL, they come outside, they oppose the fact, say the FA don't approve, say make them they release the voice recording of the VAR operators, whatever they are discussing in the VAR room and whatever they are discussing with the on-field referee. That discussion where they talk about to change maybe a circumstance where no make sense or to check something. But we know what they go on through their thought process. They come the oppose and say it no make sense. Now the public and the FA they approve it. Now the question is, why are they opposing it? Like for example, now look at this one happened between Liverpool and Tottenham. If they say we don't hear the audio now, we know we really know what thing transpire. Everything will be in the realm of speculation. So the question is, why are they opposed to it? So let me know your thoughts in the comment section, because myself, I did very, very surprised. If they don't say their hands they clean, they know there's currency with their closets, why are they hiding? Because some of these VR operators, they like some things and hate some teams. If they see Arsenal like this, their head go they say no, until they do Arsenal, they say no, they don't go on blue for us. So it is what it is. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out.